Hi friends, this is Rajnikant, Excel Guru, and one of our Facebook group friend asked this query, and some guys are trying it if so many ways, but I would like to show you the easiest way, very easiest way, that is index and math. Okay, with index and math. It's very easy guys, it's not that much big as you are thinking. And the query is, first of all I'll delete this one, control shift up arrow. So my query is, when phone numbers matches, the number should extract, the number should come over here when phone numbers matches. Okay, here only the query is there, answer is there. Match this one, comma, it's a relative reference, control shift down arrow, F4, so it will show us the position where it occurs. It's time format, normal format. Okay, so it will show us the position where it occurs, where this number occur over in this range. It's match. So when it is not available, it will show us NA. When it is available, it shows the position where it occurs. It occurs this number in third position. Okay, this number in first position, this number in second position. If I try to make it some like this, let's try short, smallest to biggest, largest to smallest. Selection. Okay, see. Okay. So this one will available in third position, 1, 2, 3, third position. This one is not there over in this list. Okay, this one is 15th position, in 15th position. Okay, so you want to, the time should come over here when it matches. Okay, and if error, it will show us the blank. Index F2 F4 comma control enter. So it will show the NA, but here it will show the time. Okay, F2, if error, if you find any error in this function, then show me the blank. It's normal function, it's not an array function. Okay, and time format, you have to make it time format, select the data, and here it is when it matches. And let's try with conditional format. Okay guys, let's try. Everyone conditional format will try to use with if conditions, if for some equal to all this, but I will show you the another method, but it's not a if, it's equal to match only. This one comma F4 comma 0. Okay, so I'm locking, I'm now okay, I have to select only whole data, I will select till time. Okay, but I have to check only this, only in this F column I have to check, not the G and H. So I lock F, lock the F. Okay, let's try how it works. Control C, control enter. Let's see how it works. I select this data. This is first time I am trying with this. Alt HLN, shortcut key for conditional format. Control V, F, this one it is selecting. Okay, and it has to check whole data. Let's see how it works. Bold, fill with red, border, font with white. Okay, let's see if it will work or not. See, it is working. NAs are not working. See, NAs are not working. See, but this is not equal to this. 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 But it is matching. So instead of doing that one, I'll do one thing. Alt HLN, Alt HLR, manage rules. I will not select that one, I will copy only this one. Control C, cancel, delete. Okay, I'll select only this one. Alt HLN, Control V, only this thing, not all those things. Okay, format, bold, fill with red, and font will be the white. Okay, it will look like this. Let's see. Okay guys, easily you can find it out. Okay, understood guys? See, if it is error, it will ignore errors. Okay guys, thank you guys, thanks for your support, have a nice day.